Nagkamali ba si Cayetano nang ipasulat ni Pimentel ang kanyang resolusyon kaya nabitag sila? Pia Cayetano, Alan Peter Cayetano, Ronald De La Rosa, JB Ejercito, Senate President Cis Escudero, Jinggoy Estrada, Bongo, Lito Lapid, Loren Legarda, Jaime Marcos, Robin Hood Padilla, Bong Revilla, Francis Tolentino, Rafi Tolpo, Joel Villanueva, Cynthia Villar, Mark Berliar, Juan Miguel Sobire, ang bumuto ng no, Risa Hontiveros, Grace Poe, Minority Floor Leader Coco Pimentel, Nancy Binay, and Dwayne Gatchalian. Ang pinagbutuhan that the articles of impeachment be returned to the House of Representatives without dismissing nor terminating the case until such time that, Tagalogin natin, i-certify daw ng Kongreso na hindi sila lumalabag sa 1-year period. At number 2 ang pinakamahalaga, that the House of Representatives of the 20th Congress communicate to the Senate that it is willing and ready to pursue the impeachment complaint against the Vice President. Magkakaroon na talaga ng trial na ayaw ni Bato at ni Tolentino. Hindi na nila kontrolado ang 20th Congress kasi may papasok ng 12 mga senador na bago. Baka wala na silang numero tulad ngayon.